So today, we will explore the Waldent EndoPro Cordless Endomotor. The box comes with a user manual, host unit, power adapter, charging base, and a contra-angle handpiece. To assemble the endomotor, hold the host unit and contra-angle handpiece, and then insert the contra-angle handpiece into the host until you hear a click sound. The contra-angle can be rotated freely. Insert the file in the shaft hole of the contra-angle handpiece until you hear a clicking sound. While trying to take the file off without pressing the button, if you cannot remove it, that means the file is inserted well. Plug the machine host into the power adapter for charging. Features and controls. The assembled unit features a charging base, a contra-angle handpiece, and a host unit. The host unit features a program key, plus-minus adjustment keys, a power key, a motor on-off key, an exit key, and an LCD screen. It has a silent motor for a pleasant patient experience, 9 different adjustable programs, an easy attachment system, and a rechargeable battery. To use the device, press the power key to turn on the endomotor. The LCD screen will appear, showing the program mode, torque, alarm icon, battery, and speed. To turn it off, press the power key again. To change from one program to another, press the program key. Each program can be customized using the plus-minus adjustment keys. To customize a program, long press the program key until a beep sound occurs and the speed icon flickers. You can then adjust the speed and torque using the plus-minus adjustment keys. Then again, press the program key to adjust the torque using the plus-minus adjustment keys. After selecting your settings, press the motor key to start working. If you need to change the speed while working, you can directly press the plus-minus adjustment keys. The endomotor features several different modes. Automatic stop. When the resistance is higher than the preset path level, the motor will stop working. Forward and reverse, reciprocating mode. In this mode, the file moves in an alternating back and forth direction. The time taken in the forward direction is approximately 1/2 second, and in the reverse direction, it is approximately 1/4 second. Auto reverse and stop mode. When resistance is higher than the preset torque, the file rotates in reverse and stops once the resistance disappears. Auto continuous mode. When resistance is higher than the preset torque, the file will auto-reverse and then start rotating in the forward direction again. Polishing mode. This mode is used for the polishing of teeth. A unique feature of this endomotor is the exit key. When resistance is high, pressing this key allows you to exit the working situation, which prevents file breakage inside the canal. That is all about this endomotor. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.